Why do you think select missing word would be literally one or two words? Why would it be worth the same weight as highlight correct summary? Hey guys, Alex here from Dream Team, aka Dream PT Coaching here in Sydney, with our office in Surrey Hills and Parramatta. So Justin, the video guy, tells me that I haven't made one of these videos, the weekly tip of the week, for some time. So I wanted to bring back some value, even though we've been going for 14 hours straight. Wanted to get back and give you guys some advice. I was teaching listening class this week in our branch, and one thing I was absolutely terrified to find out. Usually the first day or two, I try to find information about people that took the exam before, how they do certain questions, what kind of mistakes they're making all the time, so we can correct them. And as we're going through the marking breakdown through weight distribution of each question, I asked the students, how much do you think the highlight correct summaries in the listening section is worth? So if you're not sure, it's the question that has the audio and you have 4 options to pick from, but usually the 4 options are pretty long. It's not just a few words, it's usually an entire paragraph of 2 or 3 sentences. And I was absolutely terrified because a lot of the people thought that it's only worth 1 mark. And actually I had one gentleman told me he would skip it completely because he didn't want to miss dictation, which I agree, you can miss dictation, but this question is worth a lot of marks. So why do you think select missing word would be literally 1 or 2 words? Why would it be worth the same weight as highlight correct summary? So if you go to the official PTE guide on the Pearson website, they tell you how the marking works. They say it's either 1 or 0, meaning you get a mark if you get it right, or you don't get marks if you get it wrong, right? But they never tell you the weight distribution. Just like people that in the past were passing listening and writing easily and are failing listening and writing, it's not because your IQ dropped by 20% all of a sudden in a month. It's because PTE increased the weight distribution of the write from dictation question, which I discussed in the previous video. So highlight correct summary is worth a lot of marks. You guys cannot just click something randomly and go next. So the easiest way to do it, obviously I can't give away all the tricks because we won't have a business to run, but how do you eliminate options that look similar? Okay, every single paragraph is going to tell you something that's true, that was said in the audio. The issue is it was not the whole truth. So what you have to do, you have to read the text and you need to try to eliminate what was not said in the audio, or what was said in the audio but what was incorrect. And sometimes you'll have 2 audios that are very similar, or 2 texts, 2 paragraphs are very similar, but one of them is going to have some extra information that's incorrect, or it's going to have some extra information that was not said in the audio. So this is how you eliminate it, but please spend up to 30-40 seconds. You guys really need to take your time. Highlight correct summary, as you may know already, gives you marks in listening and in reading as well. So a lot of people that are missing the reading section, they have no idea the amount of marks you get in the reading section. You do this question well, I promise you, if you get all of them right, you get an extra 5% or more in your reading section. So please spend more time on highlight correct summary. Still manage your timing so you don't miss dictation, but don't just pick randomly something and go next. It's really, really important. It's worth a lot of marks. Please focus on it. Best of luck. See you guys next week.